In this video you will see that how we will resolve Google ad problem. So here you see that it is a display ad. So in this display ad we see that the ad was running very well, and after running sometimes it is showing that it is not eligible. So this can be happen for many reasons. Here we see that there are three reasons here. So let's solve the problem here actually. So to solve the problem we need to go to the edit option. So when I go to the edit option I see that there are two policy violations actually in the ad I see. So let's click on the violations, like whereas the violations I see compromise site. They are thinking that it is compromised for these reasons actually. You see the reasons: headline, description, long headline. So I need to solve this before I make this live again. Okay, so then unreliable claims means that when I use this type of headlines, and this seems unreliable to Google, so I need to change this. So this is the thing actually. Okay, well, so right now I will edit. I will not edit the final URL because I don't see anything with the final URL. If I see that, then I could change that. So I will change the headlines here. Headlines, long headlines. I will make little bit change. So how I will change, I will show you, no problem. Like I have used the money related text, so I can somehow modify this. Claim, sometimes claim type words doesn't seem much oil, so I will not use claim type word like claim your bonus, claim your this thing. I will not use that. So bonus type word I will skip. So I will skip this and then I will make changes here, and you will see that the ad is live. Okay, so let me change the things actually. Give me 1 minute, I am changing this, then I will show you how much time it takes to make eligible again. Okay, so after 40 minutes later you can see that the status is eligible and the ad is eligible itself. After that changes have been made and it is running successfully. So this is how you can make the changes what is needed for the ads, and then you can make it live. You can make it live again if it is disapproved. So this is the method actually. If you want to know more about the method, just contact me here on Telegram, and then I can guide you here, no problem. And any type of Google ads you can also contact here. Thank you so much.